Good morning. How's the sajam going?
Bad, because I don't have any money left. So.
What are you drinking?
Rakia from forest fruit. It's like poželio inside. I don't know how it's in English. That's good.
You came earlier to help, no?
Yeah. It's 7 in the morning, like, oh my god, I have to wake up on Saturday, but it's worth it to do that. Just to see all this zdravo hranu.
So of course I support Sajam, and not because I work on it, in it, because really no, these things should be more often actually.
Yeah.
So welcome to Sajam, and if not, you can come the next time.
Doj?
Sí.